The pub is just up at the top, so it's not far from the pub. And you've got this great little walk which takes you, it must take you a good half mile, maybe more than that, I'm not too sure. And then you've got, great if you've got dogs, I should imagine. So if you're a bit of a dog walker and you're looking for somewhere that you can walk the dogs as well, then this is great because it's a nice little run here. But like I said, yeah, there's the pub there. You can probably just see it behind me there, the white building.